Welcome back to my class. Dear students, I am your Romita Miss. Today we are going to continue Parts of a Bird from your science book, page number 36, Unit 3, Chapter 7. Let's take your science book and open page number 36. Can you remember what we have learned from our previous class? We came to know about different birds in this chapter and their special features and their characteristics. Can you tell which animals should be called bird? Bird should be those animals who have beak, lays eggs, feathers, skeleton and wings. আমরা পাখি বলতে সেই সব প্রাণীকেই বোঝাবো যারা ডিম পারে বা ডিম দেয়, বেক বা ঠোঁট আছে, ফেদা বা পালক আছে, স্কেলেটন বা কঙ্কাল আছে, উইংস বা পাখা আছে। তাহলে এই পাঁচটি বৈশিষ্ট্য সম্পন্ন প্রাণীকে আমরা বলবো পাখি। And you came to know about different body parts of a bird. Almost all of the birds carry similar characteristics, but they may vary their size, color, shape, and different other measurements. A bird have different body parts like eye, beak, feet, claws, tail, feather, wings, head, etc. These all characteristics are their outer body part. Let's move to our today's lesson. Birds use their wings to fly. Is it true statement? Yes, of course. This is a true statement. Most of the birds use their wings to fly. A rare amount of birds can't fly, but which birds can fly use their wings to fly. They use this for gliding and take flight. পাখিরা তাদের ডানা বা পাখার সাহায্যে উড়তে পারে। Can the bird fly if there are no feathers? Answer should be no. Let's discuss how it is. Birds have feathers. Almost all the birds have feathers, except penguin. But they have furs. And if you look at other birds, they have feathers almost covering their whole body. These feathers make them their body weight less than other animals, and these feathers help them to glide in the air. So, if there are no feathers, that bird can't fly. So, if I ask a question, যে পাখিরা কি উড়তে পারে যদি তাদের গায়ে পালক না থাকে? Answer should be no. পাখির গায়ে পালক না থাকলে সেই পাখি উড়তে পারে না। How many feet do the birds have? পাখির কয়টি পা থাকে? Almost all birds have 2 feet or 2 legs. So the answer we are going to write 2. You can see different kinds of birds' feet, and almost all birds have 2 feet. Birds use their beak to take food. Beak বা বাংলায় ঠোঁট। the hard pointed or curved outer part of a bird's mouth. পাখিদের মুখের বাঁকানো এবং সূচালো শক্ত যে অংশ মুখের বাহিরের দিকে অবস্থান করে সেটাকেই বেক বা ঠোঁট বলা হয়। পাখিরা তাদের ঠোঁট বা বিক ইউজ করে খাদ্য গ্রহণ করে থাকে। Thank you, my dear students, for listening my video lesson today. Hope you enjoyed this video lesson. Try to follow everyday's lesson and complete them timely. You have to complete them within 10 p.m. today. Goodbye, students.